Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing a donut. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. Now I've gone ahead and created 3 layers: the outline layer, the sketch layer, and the color layer. The outline layer is where we're going to be using our black marker. The sketch layer is where we're going to be using our pencil, and the color layer is where we're going to color. So let's start off with the sketch layer. And we're going to be drawing a circle. So if you're using an iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil, you can create a perfect circle just by drawing your circle first. And don't let go. And then just putting your finger anywhere on the canvas. That'll create a perfect circle. And then we're going to do the same thing for the center of the donut. So now that we have the outline of the donut, we can start drawing the icing. Now we're going to be doing this in pencil first because some of that icing is spilling out of the donut, and then we want to erase these parts. Now you can do this however you want. You can put as much icing as you want. Then I'm going to take my eraser and just erase these parts here. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to be going over with a black marker. And also on the inside, you can have some icing here as well. Take our eraser again. Okay, I think that we are ready to do the outline with the marker. So let's go into the outline layer. And if you're using a piece of paper, you could just grab your black marker. I'm going to draw the icing first. And the trick here to make it smooth is not to let go. And I realized I had to let go at some point, but just try to be really smooth when you draw. Another trick is to know where your end point is. So always keep an eye just on that point where I finished, so you know where your pencil is going. All right, next I'm gonna just draw these circles, or finish up these circles here. And then the ones on the outside. And then I'm going to uncheck my sketch layer, and if you're on a white sheet of paper, you can just erase your pencil marks. Just gonna fix that little corner down there. Okay, next we can put some more icing. You can put squiggly lines. So you got your black marker. Then we want to do it again right beside it, and then we're going to color all of that in. All right, I think that we can go ahead and start coloring in. So I'm gonna go into my color layer, then I'm gonna pick a color for the donut. Let's try that one, let's see if this one works. Are you already thinking about what color the icing should be? Should it be a strawberry or a chocolate or a vanilla? I'm not sure what I want. I think I'm gonna do a strawberry color. Okay, so I'm gonna pick color maybe like that. What do you think? Okay, let's see how this looks. Okay, that might be a bit too dark. I'm gonna make it a bit lighter. How is your donut coming along? What color did you do the icing? If you want to leave a comment below, I'd love to hear what you did. All right, guys, the icing is done. Then we're gonna do the top layer. What should we do? Should we do a chocolate? Okay, I'm gonna try to do a chocolate. Let's pick a brown. Okay, I see I made a little bit of a mistake. Let me pick that pink again. Just fix these. All right, guys, the best part, the sprinkles. So I'm gonna pick a white. All we're gonna do is just draw tiny strokes like that. Now we don't wanna fill them all in because we're gonna put some other colors on there. Okay, I'm gonna pick a yellow. Then let's do a blue. And then last, let's do that brown. All right, guys, how does your donut look? Now we can make it even more interesting. If you want to put a little bit of shadow on it, we can grab that pink again and just select a tad bit of a darker shade. And if your light source is coming from up here, the shadows are gonna be down over here. So we can do a tiny bit of a shadow. And then also for the brown, you could put a darker brown underneath that icing. You probably can't really see it that well because these lines are really thin. And then up here, we could also do a lighter pink. Since the sun is up over here. Now we really should have done this before we did the sprinkles, because I'm just coloring over them. But you kind of get the idea, right? All right, guys, there is your donut.